Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. I'm really excited to talk to you guys tonight about this question because I get asked this question all the time. Very frequently asked question, and that is, should I add this person to Lawmatics or Clio Grow or whatever CRM or intake software you're working with? And I get it. Like, your offices are very busy. The people answering your phone are very busy. So why would they want to take the time to add someone to Lawmatics when this person is clearly not going to be hiring the law firm? So for example, some of the common things that we come across are like, the person is calling for the wrong practice area. We don't do that practice area, so they're obviously not going to be able to hire us. Maybe they're calling from a county that we don't serve or a jurisdiction that we don't serve. Maybe they're just price shopping and they ask our price and then they hang up. Maybe they aren't willing to pay our consultation fee, right? Like, these kinds of things happen a lot. And the question is, do we add that person to Lawmatics or not? And I think that to answer that question, we have to look at one of the best benefits of intake software, and that is the reporting feature, right? The tracking and reporting and the ability to look at that data and learn from that data and make decisions based upon it. So if I document who's contacted us and how they heard about us and why they're not a good fit, now I have data, and with enough data, I can then make decisions. And so, for example, a lot of times that's a marketing decision, right? I've gotten 10 calls this month for estate planning, but we don't do estate planning. Then it makes me wonder, well, why are they calling all of a sudden? Or why are they calling in such numbers? Maybe do we need to change our marketing message to something that's more clear so that they understand that we're not doing estate planning? But if we're not documenting those calls and noticing the people that are calling that aren't hiring us, we'll never know why we're getting any why we're not getting any calls, when in fact we are getting calls. They're just for the wrong practice area, right? So being able to document that helps us see those trends and make those decisions. Now, we could also make decisions, more business-based decisions, right? Maybe it's not a marketing-specific decision, but for example, if our marketing is bringing in a lot of leads from a county that we don't serve, right? Maybe we decide not to change the marketing. Maybe instead we want to enter into some type of referral agreement with an attorney in that area that does practice so that we can refer business to them and share a fee, assuming, of course, that's allowed in your jurisdiction. Or maybe we decide the opportunity is big enough that we want to actually hire someone or hire a contract attorney to help us start serving clients in that area and take advantage of the leads that we are getting. But again, if our intake person or our people answering our phones or the people responding to website inquiries, the people that are first coming into contact with those potential new clients, if they're not adding them to Lawmatics, then we won't be able to see those trends. We won't be able to get that data, and we won't be able to recognize that as a clear opportunity. So the more information that you add to Lawmatics, especially regarding people that don't hire us, then that's where we're going to get our data. That's where we're going to be able to start making some strategic and business decisions that will really help our firm grow. Otherwise, we're really just guessing. Thanks for joining me tonight. Have a great evening.